Exercise 37. Show that the category of finitely generated torsion G modules does not have enough injectives in general. So remark. So by exercise 36, we know that. So let's talk about this G with profinite group. The category of discrete G modules and also this abstract G modules both have enough injective. But this exercise 37 tells us that for finitely generated torsion G module, this does not have enough injectives in general. So you could find a solution of this in the math deck, the math exchange, the stack exchange on the internet. So the idea is that it's sufficient to give a counterexample. Proof. Counterexample. Let's think of the case when J is trivial. Which means it has a trivial action. In this case, the category of finitely generated torsion G modules become, so G action is trivial, so G module would be the trivial action. So there's no continuous condition. Okay, this is always continuous. There's no continuous condition here. And so the category of G modules become the category of abelian groups. So finitely generated torsion abelian groups, which means finite abelian groups. Category of finitely generated torsion G modules is the category of finite abelian groups. So which means any G module this category would be of the form, say, equation by some p-i-n-i, from 1 to d, let's say. P-i is some prime integer. It suffices to show a cyclic group with prime power order is not injective. In that category. So first sub exercise. If this is not an injective for any p prime and bigger than 0, then the general finite abelian group would not be injective. Otherwise, in other words, it suffices to reduce to the case of the quotient by p to the power n. So to show this, let's just consider this. This is short exact sequence in this category of finite abelian groups. Let's denote this by abelian finite abelian groups. Okay, in finite abelian groups. This is short exact sequence of finite abelian groups. This is isomorphic to the. So notice this is not injective, as the above short exact sequence does not split. If it splits, then we will have district sum, but this is not true. On the left hand side, any element on the right hand side, all the elements are killed by p to the power n minus 1, while on the left hand side it's not. It's not injective object there.